Hello, today I'm in Mercedes A-Class. In this video I'll show you how to reset service info. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster, put the key into ignition and switch to the first position. Now press this button 3 times. Once you see voltage, scroll down and now press this button to go to service data. Here is your service info. Kilometers, days. Go back by pressing this button. And now scroll down to confirmation by pressing minus and plus button. Select confirmation by pressing this button. And now select full service. And it's done. Service info has been reset. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.